How to view your Gemini activity. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how you can view all of the activity that you have done in your Gemini. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply launch your Gemini in any particular web session. And now since I have launched my Gemini using gemini.google.com, I'm going to click onto the settings and help option at the bottom left corner. Now once I have done this, it will open this particular menu using which I can do a lot of different actions. Now from here I need to click onto this first option, that is activity, and it will redirect me to myactivity.google.com. And from here I can see all of the activity deleting upon the date and the range as well. If you wish to delete your activity, you can simply click onto this delete button so that your activity can be deleted from the my activity page. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.